So in today's video, we're going to be looking at a marketing tip to help you get more bookings for your hotel or bed and breakfast. And that's simply highlight the destination. As much as persons are interested in staying at your place, what they're really traveling for is to get an idea of the things to do around where your hotel is located. So they want to understand what are the things to do within close proximity and so forth. What are the tours that are available at that destination? What are the places to see? Are they nice forts? Are they historical sites that they may be able to take a tour with their friends and family and so forth? And like for someone like me, where are the places to eat? So don't just take all the time to say book now, book now, book now. Take some time, do some research and see what are the places, what are the things where we could eat, and highlight those on your Facebook page, your Instagram pages, or on your website as well, so that as persons are searching, you will pop up. And if you're close to these destinations, and you will end up getting more bookings for it. Let's look at an example of a small guest house here in Tobago and how they are utilizing this and sandwiching their booking advertisement with things to do and places to see. So here we have Bay Leaf Suites. And what you'll notice as you scroll through their Facebook page, for example, here they're talking about their Mainridge Forest Reserve. And it's important to highlight, get some photos of the different location, see, so persons could go through and see what they could do. Here's an example of persons taking a nice rainforest tour through the rainforest as well. And as you come down on the page, you will see, okay, they're now promoting their destination. They're telling you specials, how you could stay. You got a coupon code to get a discount and so on. But as you come down further, here's a nice beach. You could stay close to our location. It's just 5 minutes walk from the airport. And you're getting a nice view, the beautiful beaches, things to see around it. You come down further the page, and then they're talking about another special that they're offering at their hotel. You come down again, and here's a beautiful waterfall you could see at Tobago. You see nice photos and so forth, people swimming, the nice views and things like that. Very simple. It actually achieved what they wanted to do, which is highlight the destination. The good thing with this is that most persons will be happy that you're highlighting their destination. And you could take it a step further. Maybe contact some of those individuals and ask, hey, can we bundle a package together? They might be happy to offer you a discount for you to promote their property as well, so that when your guests are actually coming to your property, they could actually get a package to utilize the tour, get access to the restaurant, and that's because they booked it with you. They got an extra incentive. That's your tip for today. Don't just take the time to highlight your hotel and how they could book. Take the time to look around where you are and tell people what are the things they could do at your destination. Highlight the destination. Again, my name is Joshua. I help hospitality provider get more booking for their hotel. So if this video was useful to you, please remember to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so when I post more videos like this, you'll be notified. See you in the next one.